OpenAI and Microsoft, this is probably the biggest traditional tech story of the day. They have altered their ongoing partnership, Jason, as you recall. They've been working together. Yet again, they've been working together. It's very complicated. There are all these different rules. They've sort of smoothed things out and simplified them. So the companies have agreed to drop Microsoft's exclusive rights to sell OpenAI models. So OpenAI is now free to pursue deals with, especially Amazon. They're already working on a joint deal to develop products for Amazon Web. They're going to continue doing that, and then they can open up to even more. OpenAI, Microsoft was sort of weighing legal action over the AWS deal, but now that is off. However, Microsoft will remain OpenAI's quote unquote primary cloud provider, and new OpenAI products are going to debut first on Azure before they're available across other cloud services. Now, in exchange for all of this, Microsoft no longer has to pay OpenAI a revenue share on the products it resells in Azure, and the revenue share paid by OpenAI is going to be capped, though we don't know at what level. They didn't specify exactly where that cap will be. Microsoft now receives rev share through 2030, regardless of the AGI. Remember, it was always like, it's contingent on OpenAI maybe reaching AGI. So that now they've just locked it in through 2030, and they're sort of kicking that can, the AGI can, down the road.
Okay. Now, what's important here is how much equity Microsoft has in OpenAI.
Microsoft owns about 27% of OpenAI Group now, according to Bloomberg.
So why would Microsoft agree to give up the exclusive to OpenAI's models?
Right.
This wasn't a two-way exclusive, so it wasn't like Microsoft couldn't do Claude or Grok. They're hosting things like that, I believe, on Azure. So why would Satya Nadella do this? The answer is that if this becomes a $10 billion company, a $10 trillion company, and they own 27% of it, the 27% of a $2 trillion OpenAI or a $3 trillion OpenAI is 500, 600, it's an incremental $600 billion.
Yeah.
In their equity stake.
Yes.
So let that sink in. What could Microsoft do with $900 billion with a B dollars?
Yeah. That's most
this
of the
is
commentary.
more revenue than Microsoft will make in the next 10 years. So they made this extraordinary bet, perhaps the greatest investment of all time.
Up there.
In OpenAI. This might be, if OpenAI becomes a $3 trillion company, it's a 1 trillion or just under 1 trillion. Let's call it 600 billion to 800 billion, but we'll round it up. In the public markets, it'll become worth $1 trillion. It'll get run up. Now they own 270 billion. Now triple that. Okay, now you're at 800 billion.
Yeah.
Then what if it goes to 10 trillion?
That's what most of the commentary.
7 trillion in cash money. I like to stay active. You know, I'm getting a little older, but I've started drinking IM8's Daily Ultimate Essentials, and it is delicious. I'm starting to notice a real shift. I drink it every morning, and I just feel less tired, right? Which allows me to really, catch up and attack the day. IM8's Daily Ultimate Essentials packs the benefits of 16 different supplements into one tasty drink. It's loaded with 92 nutrient-rich ingredients, including vitamins, minerals, adaptogens, along with pre, pro, and postbiotics. It's giving me a great energy boost. It calms your digestion, and it's an easy habit to stick with because it tastes delicious. So start feeling like your best self every day with IM8. Go to im8health.com/twist and use the code TWIST to get a free welcome kit, 5 free travel sachets, and 10% off your order. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.